Wireless design for easy installation. V29 wireless backup camera for car connects a backup camera by a wireless transmitter. You just need to connect the monitor to the light or charger, connect the rear view camera to running light or reversing light, and you are good to go. No more complicated long video cables from the monitor to the rear camera. Make all things much easier. Stable and vivid HD 1080p image with digital wireless transmission, delivers a stable image without any interference from other signals such as Bluetooth. Equipped with great sensor, the backup camera for truck provides vivid picture, which restores what you see behind your car directly. Ideal rear view camera. The waterproof standard of this camera is IP69, the highest and lowest temperature resistance is -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lumen rating is 0.1 at low light night. Therefore, whether it is sunny or rainy, hot or cold, day or night, the car backup camera wireless monitor always performs well. Parking safely and effortlessly. With rear view mirror backup camera, you will be able to easily park your car even in the tiniest parking spots without risking damaging it and ruining your day or night. There is no battery in the vehicle backup camera, it will be safer. Good service. The RV backup camera wireless system is suitable with cars, vans, camping cars, trucks, small RVs. Do Honest offers clear user guide, installation video included, 45-day money-back guarantee and 2-year warranty. 24 hours after sales service and professional technician team is available. If there's any issue, just contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Test the wires. The product says hook up to rear backup light. Did that positive to pos? Negative to neg. It didn't work. I tested the light on a battery I had and it worked. Tested the wires with a tester and they both showed good connections. It still didn't work when I connected the camera. I left the positive on the wire and took the ground and just screwed it to the metal by tail light. Presto, it worked.